Okay, so we got to create a back-to-back stem and leaf plot for this stem and leaf, which shows population growth for the northeastern and northwest states versus the southern and western states. Okay, so we're going to use our calculator. Okay, and first thing you're going to do is put all this data into two lists. Okay, so this data right here is in my left list, L1, and this data here went into L2. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to go to stat plot. Okay, and we're going to go to plot 1, and we're going to turn it on. And we're going to go to modified box plot, which is this one right here. We're going to make sure that it's pulling from list 1. Okay, and then we're going to go to plot 2 and turn it on, and then we're going to make sure that's on modified box plot. That's pulling from list 2, and then we're going to go to zoom, and then we're going to go down to zoom stat number 9, and that will draw those up for us. Okay, so we make the comparison. This is the northeastern and northwest states, and this is the southern and western states. So obviously the southern and western states are growing more than these states are. The median here, now if we want to get the values, we push trace. So this is Q1 in the top. Median here is 8, while the median down there is 15. See, that's how you can compare medians. Okay, so so the median here is higher. There's more variation. Now I wouldn't want to use the range because we have an outlier. That's the nice thing about using a modified box plot. It shows us the outlier. But I would use the IQR. So the IQR down here is Q3, 23.5, minus Q1 of 10.5. So the IQR is 13, whereas the IQR in this top one is 9 minus 5. Well, 9 minus 5 is 4, so there's more variation there as well. Okay, so when you go and copy these on your paper, you want to make a scale. So what I would do is make that 0. We got to go up to like 70. So okay, so the first box, I pull off the 5 numbers. I get the min is 1, so I would just put a little dot right there. So that's the min is 1. Q1 is 5, so I put that there. Median is 8, that goes there. Q3 is 9, that goes there. That completes my box. And then the max is 12, so I put a dot there. And then I label it. So this is my northeastern slash Midwest states. So I'm going to just say that this is northeast slash Midwest. Okay? And then I go down to the second box, and I got to pull off my 5 number summary. So the min is 1, so I'm going to put a 1 there, and then Q1 is 10.5, so I make my box. My median is 15, that goes there. Max is 23.5, put that there, that completes the box. I got the left fence done. Okay, then it goes up to 40, and then there's an outlier out at 66. So I'm going to go over to 66, and I'm going to put an outlier, and this is the southern and western states. Okay, and that's how you would draw that.